Good day, viewers. You are welcome to the Lord TV, your number one fantastic reality TV that gives you all that it takes to be enlightened on trending news such as politics, entertainment, sports, and what have you. If you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well as already subscribed. So please don't forget to drop your comments anytime I drop new videos. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.
Breaking news. What an humiliation. Obaseki expelled from APC while Ogbeide Ihama takes control of PDP. If political observers had predicted that such an entertaining political drama would unfold from Edo State, the pessimists would say that the scenario would never have been so exciting. Welcome to our daily updates on the scene behind the battle for the election of the governor of Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki welcomed the pressure yesterday and extended the olive branch to Oshomole and the conventional CPA. In what appears to be a secret appeal, the state government, through its CPA Fractional Advertising Secretary, Pastor Joseph Osagede, asked Adams Oshomole to commit to a true reconciliation that will be overseen by a neutral party. The governor, who begged the monarch of Benin and the presidency to come to his aid to obtain a truce with Adams Oshomole. According to him, we have already said that we are ready and ready for reconciliation, but it cannot constitute a body for reconciliation when it is an interested party in the case. A neutral body of the Benin Presidency or Traditional Council can create a committee for this reconciliation. The pleas, however, came too late, as Adams Oshomole, main APC, yesterday confirmed Obaseki's suspension of the party. The announcement made by the party National Advertising Secretary at a press conference was announced in Abuja. Observers believe that Obaseki, who hastened to overthrow Oshomole, finally fulfilled his mission at the party. Obaseki is believed to have distanced himself from party supporters since taking office. Leaders accuse the governor of leading a solo government. Meanwhile, the member of the House of Representatives representing the federal riding of Oredo in the National Assembly, the Right Honorable Ogbeide Ihama, decided to assume control of the PDP in the state. The charismatic Ogbeide Ihama made strong penetration among the leaders of the PDP state party. Ogbeide Ihama, who is a frontline PDP candidate for the governor's post, is putting the finishing touches on his long-awaited statement. Ogbeide Ihama, who faced a fierce battle with Godwin Obaseki, who concluded his plans to join the PDP after his embarrassing exit from APC. The way in which Obaseki political engagement will be useful in the context of the PDP is still very confused, because the camp of Ogbeide Ihama is not ready to submit to the authority of the imminent invasion of Obaseki. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, what is your take on this news? As you have heard, Obaseki has been dismissed from the party. Now, what do you think is going to be the next step of Godwin Obaseki? Because the position he is today is being managed by APC. it's through APC that he was able to gain position into that government. Now, how is he going to manage that post and that administration without the support of the APCs? And what is going to be his final decision after this administration? Is it to remain with the party or to go in with another party? Please don't forget to leave your comment behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.